What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Brian is here to help me. We are gonna finish sanding, finish doing 320 around the whole car. I'm gonna take the kit off. So bumper, side skirts, front bumper, all those are gonna come off. And I did take the wing off. And I don't know if I ever showed you guys the damage on this thing, but it's split pretty bad. And I got a buddy, Tim, who does some fiberglassing work, so I'm gonna go drop it off to him, see if he can fix it up for us. It's pretty cracked, and I really don't know. It looks like it's been cracked before and they tried to fix it, so I don't know how much he'll be able to do. Hopefully he can fix it up decent, and then we'll get to paint that later. All right, we're gonna get started, and I'll update you guys when we make some progress. We have made some good progress. Brian had to leave, but he actually took the whole kit off for me. It's right there, and the rear bumper. So we're almost there. All right, I'm gonna get back to work on this, and I will give you guys a little update when I finish this side. I think that's probably all I'll do for today is get everything 320'd now that I got the kit off, and then see if I can go pick up the stuff to start prepping the kit. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it for the night. It's getting kind of late, compressor's kind of loud. Made a lot of progress. I gotta go buy more sandpaper tomorrow. I need some more 180 because this 320 is not cutting it for all the spots that are a little cracked up. So I'll go buy more sandpaper, pick back up, and then hopefully update you guys soon. Yo, what's up guys? Alright, so I went and got some more sandpaper. So I picked up some more 180. I also picked up some more 80. I kind of regret starting the car with 80 grit because it made a lot more work. But you know, whatever, I didn't really know. So I'm trying to just stick to 320, but some parts I need to go a little bit more more rough. So I'll show you guys, like over here, like there's a lot of cracks kind of deep in here, and some of them I'm not sure if the 180 is going to get to. Derek says it should be fine and don't hit it again with 80. I'll probably listen to that advice. But you know, it's coming along, so I'm gonna throw on the 180 right now, hit those higher up spots, and then I still have a bunch of 320 left. So I'm gonna go ahead and do any of the last bits of the car that need it. Okay, let me move these, and then we'll get started on the car. All done. All right, guys, got pretty much everything done. Couple of spots that I had to go back and hit with the 180, so I did all that. So I got to go over those again with 320, but that shouldn't take long. And then the last thing left to do is the wing. So we didn't really get to hit any of the underside when we first started, and now that it's off, I'm gonna go through, hit the bottom. Alright, so I tried to hit the wing a little bit with the 180, but there's like a lot of paint that's like really crinkled on there or something. It just seems like probably really crappy spray paint or something like that. And I think the 180 can do it. It's just that the compressor is kind of low on air and it can't keep up, and it's getting kind of late now, so I'm not going to run the compressor anymore. Next video, primering, get ready. I'm stoked. It's all going to be one color, even though it's going to be gray. That'll be cool. All right, guys, please don't forget to like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.